How to make money to travel? This is the question. We're going to explore this together. But firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Nina. This is my partner Craig and our fur baby, Captain Carter. This is why it was important for me to shift the way I was operating and how I was doing things. I am a yoga teacher and a health coach, and I do work remotely online. And we live on a farm very, very remotely. And for a healthy relationship for Craig and me, we realized very early on that we actually needed to have a goal, a dream, because farm life, as you can imagine, is exceptionally stressful. And even being a yoga teacher, there is a certain amount of stress that is always around when you're in farming. We would always go for 20-minute walks in the morning as that we chatted about our dreams and our goals. Now, what were those? Well, we realized there were three things because we have a fur baby, Captain Carter, and literally within 4 months of his life, we rescued him. He was riddled with arthritis and he needed a hip op within, I think, about 6 months of him being born, and to create a ball and socket joint for him. And so we realized quality of life, not just for us, but for Captain Carter as well, was really, really important. And so we realized that there were three things that all three of us wanted. Number one, we love warm weather. We really want to be in warm weather. We do not enjoy the cold. Number two, we love water. We want to have sand, sea, water. We want to be by the ocean. And number three is we love adventure. We love to travel. And so this is where our idea and thought of having a remote home, living on the water, in other words, traveling the world, cruising the world on a boat, was going to be our adventure. Question was, how do you now earn to travel? How do you make money to travel, and how do you make it sustainable? And so this is then how I got into the world of digital marketing by complete accident. I wasn't looking for anything. I was very happy doing my yoga, my coaching. I was just trying to figure out, well, how can I scale this? How can I create more impact in the world, but also how can I earn a bigger income? And then I came across digital marketing and I thought, no, this is a scam. This sounds too good to be true. Quick money. This is what they're advertising. And I took a step back and I had a listen. I went to a couple of webinars. I asked a couple of questions. I got more information. I realized it wasn't a quick rich scheme. You actually had to put in practices. I understood the curriculum and I was like, well, if nothing else, if the digital marketing stuff doesn't work, at least content of what they have in their course, that I can apply to my own business and grow, because I'm great at the yoga, I'm great at the health coaching, but the business side of things, not that good. And so I thought, okay, I can do this dual. I can do two things. I can start my own digital marketing practice, company, business, which is Cruising News Captain Carter, and where I promote 4 digital products which help you learn about digital marketing in the e-learning industry. And I thought, well, I can create that. I only have to work 2 hours a day at that to build that business. And the skills that I'm learning, I can now apply those to my other business and see what happens if I can generate more leads, if I can get more sales, if that can improve. Because then I can have 2 businesses that are operating very similarly and that then are able to grow, that are now automated and are able to earn me passive income online. And so this is pretty much how I got into the world of digital marketing by complete accident, and how it's enabling me to be traveling, to be able to earn and travel at the same time. At the moment, yes, we are on our boat. We are here in the beautiful city of Neisner, and we are busy just enjoying her and kitting her out and getting our sailing hours and license together, so that we're one step closer to our dream and our goal. And so my question to you is like, what is it that you are missing or lacking or needing to get you closer to your dream? Have you got clarity on what your dream is? Do you know what that vision is for you, for your family? Do you know what that bigger picture is? And then do you have a way of moving towards that dream, getting closer towards it? And if not, and if time and money are maybe 2 things that are preventing you from moving forward, then I'd strongly suggest heading down to the descriptions, grab my free blueprint, see the step-by-step process that I'm following, and it might just be something that you can do for yourself. Now, with digital marketing, what I loved about it, there are a couple of things. One, I learned a whole host of new skills that I didn't know and I didn't have for my own business. So if you have your own business, that's probably a great place to start, because there are probably a lot of skills that you can learn in this digital marketing program that you don't have. Number two, it helped me show me how to set up my own automated online business. In other words, how to earn passive income and how to create courses and ebooks and products that allow me to earn passive income. Number three, this is what I love, is that it allows me to work remotely from anywhere. All I need to do is have Wi-Fi. I need to have my laptop, my phone, and I can literally create content and be working anywhere in the world. So I don't have to be stuck to a desk. I don't have to be stuck to a 9 to 5. I can do this in the middle of the day. I can do this at night. I can do this first thing in the morning, whenever works for me on any given day. Like tomorrow, we're going to be going out doing a night out cruising to get our night hours up for our license. That means that tomorrow I'm not going to be able to work apart from maybe a little bit in the morning. The next day I won't be able to work till we get back into the bay, and I can then catch up and do a little bit of work in the evening. So when you have this possibility of being able to work remotely anywhere at your time, that was a big game changer for me. And then the last one is more time to live and to share. That's what I love. I love sharing what I do. I love sharing my passion. I love sharing experiences. So if you head into this YouTube channel, you'll probably see a couple of stories of things that we're fixing around the boat, of what it's like to be living on a boat, what it's like to be doing these things. And that is what I want to be able to do. I want to be able to share my journey and the stories with you guys so that you can feel inspired, so that you can feel supported and motivated to follow your own dreams. So if you are interested, if you'd like to find out a little bit more, pop down into the descriptions or just pop ready in the comments below. I'll send you that free blueprint, the step-by-step process that I'm following, and you can see if it's something that would work for you or someone that you know is looking for something. Have a lovely day, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye.